Hi, it's Mark here from CCTV.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at setting up the cloud P2P feature on DVRs. In order to do this, you'll just have to have your DVR connected to the network, and you'll either have one of two models. If you've got an older model of the DVR, you'll have to check under configuration and then go to network and see if you can enable cloud P2P. Also, if you've got a newer version of the DVR, you'll actually have a barcode stuck onto the case which you can use to scan. Firstly, we're going to talk about, though, if you've got the latter and you've got a barcode, and we can see how we can set that up. Firstly, what we need to do is download the Guarding Expert app from the App Store. This can just be found by searching for Guarding Expert. Once we've downloaded this and got it installed onto our mobile device, we'll have to open up the app. And because we're going to be setting up Cloud P2P, we need to click the three lines in the top left-hand corner. And then we need to click on Cloud P2P. Now we need to register an account. So what we do is we tap register at the bottom. Once we've tapped that, we need to enter in an email address that we want associated with the account. We're going to put in info@mie-cctv.co.uk. Now for the verification code, we'll just have to put in as it appears on the right here. So ours is NL3Q. Now we tap get verification code. What this will actually do is send us an email to our the email account specified, and in that email will be a verification code. We just punch this in here. That verification code for us was 1155. Once we've verified our email address, it will allow us to set up a username and password for the account. So this can be anything of your choosing. Once again, we're just going to set up as above here with MIE-CCTV.com. And then we're going to set a password just for the purpose of this video. Our password is going to be password1. You just re-enter it here. Then click finish, and then that's the account set up. So now we just need to log in. So we log in with the password that we just set up, which again was password1. Now we're into that, we can hit the plus in the top right hand corner. And as previously stated, we've got the barcode on our DVR, so we can just scan the barcode. And it'll ask for the verification number. This verification number can be found on top of the barcode sticker, or it can also be found in the menus of the DVR. If you go into configuration and then go into network, you'll see the verification code there. Ours is LLYKQF. Once you've confirmed that, what that'll do is it'll add the DVR into the app. And now you should be able to see the live view of all the cameras without having to do any port forwarding or any access to your router, because it's just using the cloud services. If you have a slightly older model of DVR and you don't have the QR code sticker on the case of your DVR, what you'll need to do is log into the DVR using the default username and password. So the password's 12345. Then you'll need to go into the configuration menu, go into network, and just ensure that Cloud P2P is enabled. If we enable it here, once we click apply, the DVR will restart and apply the settings. Once the DVR is successfully rebooted, we'll have to log back in again. So we go into the menu, type the default password again of 12345. And then we go into the maintenance menu. Now once we're in the maintenance menu, there's two pieces of information we need to note down here. After the WR and the serial number, there is 9 numbers. So you see in our example, it's 509 533 191. And below we've got the verification code of SZJGFO. Once we've obtained this information, we'll have to go to the app on our mobile device. Then we want to click on the three lines in the top left and then click on Cloud P2P. Now we're going to log into the account that we set up earlier. So the login again was password1. Once we've logged into there, we're going to add the device, but this time we haven't got a barcode to scan. So in the top right hand corner, we just hit on the little pencil, and now the 9-digit number that we remembered, we just need to put into here. So that was 509 533 191. What that'll do when we press search is it'll find the DVR on the network. If we press the little plus to the right of it, it'll ask us for the verification code that we also noted down. Once we enter in the verification code, this should confirm the DVR and add it into the app for us. So once this is complete, you'll be able to view your images again without having to do any port forwarding, and it'll just use the Cloud P2P service for access.